Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today, we dive straight into 12 essential words about dealing with roadside assistance. Let's go!
My car broke down. What do I say?
Oh no! Okay, challenge time. Let's play a game to learn the words you need.
A game? I'm stuck in traffic. I need help. Not a game. But okay, I'll play.
You and everyone listening. We give you a situation. You shout the answer.
Okay, I like that. So can you, our listener, beat me? I am very competitive.
I know you are. Just try to shout the word before Leo does. Are you ready?
I need my morning coffee for this. But yes, I am ready. Let's do this now.
Right then. I'll give you the first one, Leo. Your car is on the side of the road. The engine made a bad noise and stopped working. What happened?
Ooh, this is easy for me right now. I think the answer is to break down.
Yes, it is to break down. Can you spell that for everyone listening at home?
Of course. breakdown. To break down. My car did this today.
That's right. To break down means your car or a machine stops working suddenly.
My old car used to break down all the time. It was so stressful on the highway.
I remember you telling me. I'm glad you got your new blue Honda. That's much better.
I agree. What is the next word for our car emergency quiz?
Okay, your car has a problem. You must move to the side of the road for safety. What is this action called?
That's a good one. You need to stop driving. You go to the side. Is it to pull over?
You got it. It is to pull over. P-U-L-L-O-V-E-R. Great job. That's right. To pull over means to move your car to the side of the road and stop.
Ha! I am winning. I always feel nervous. I see police lights behind me.
Yes, a police officer might ask you to pull over. Or you do it for a problem.
That's true. It is important to find a safe place. Don't stop in the middle.
I always tell my students this. Safety is number one. Okay, next one for you.
I am ready. I think I'm going to get a perfect score. This is easy stuff.
We will see. Okay, you are on the road. You need help. You call a special service for cars. What is this service?
This is the main topic today. I think the answer is roadside assistance.
Yes, that is exactly right. Roadside Assistance. ROADSIDEASSISTANC.
It means a service that helps drivers when their cars break down. It's very useful.
Do you have it? I don't drive, so I don't know much about it. It sounds good.
I do. It saved me last year. The guy was so helpful. He was very kind.
That's nice to hear. My turn to be quizzed now. I'm ready for your questions.
Okay, Debbie. My turn to be the quiz master. Imagine you are driving. You hear a sound. Flap, flap, flap. One of your tires is empty.
Oh, that's not a good sound. I think I know. You have a flat tire.
A flat tire is correct. F-L-A-T-T-I-R-E. Well done, Debbie. You got it.
Phew. A flat tire is a tire that has lost its air. It can be very dangerous.
It really can. I got a flat tire once at night. It was scary. I had to wait.
Oh, I don't like that. I am glad you were okay. My dad taught me how to change one.
My sister Mia is learning to drive. My dad is teaching her that now. It's hard.
Good for her. It's a useful skill. Okay, I'm ready for your next question.
Okay, next situation. Your car cannot be fixed on the road. A big truck comes to take your car to a garage.
Oh, I see these all the time on the bus. Is that a tow truck?
It is a tow truck. T-O-W-T-R-U-C-K. You are doing very well.
Thank you. So a tow truck is a special vehicle. It moves cars that are broken.
Exactly. They are very strong. They can pull heavy cars like it's nothing.
I saw one pull a bus once. It was amazing to watch. The power is big.
Wow, a bus? I want to see that. My little blue Honda is easy for them.
I am sure it is. Okay, give me your last question for this round, Leo.
Right. The tow truck takes your car to a special garage. Who is the person who fixes cars?
Oh, that's an important person. I know this one. It's a mechanic.
Yes. mechanic. A mechanic. You got all three right. Good job.
A mechanic is a professional. They repair engines and cars. A very skilled job.
My mechanic is great. He always explains the problem with simple words for me.
That is so important. My cat Biscuit once hid in my friend's car engine space.
No. Was she okay? That sounds so scary for you and for your cat.
She was fine. The mechanic was so gentle getting her out. Okay, my turn to quiz you again.
Let's do it. I am feeling confident. I think I can win this game today.
Okay, Mr. Confident. You forgot to go to the petrol station. Now your car has no more fuel and it stops.
Oh no, I did this once. It was so embarrassing. You run out of gas.
Yes. Or as we say in the UK, you run out of petrol. Both are correct.
Right. RUNOUTOFGAS. It means you used all the fuel in your car.
I always worry about this. That's why I prefer taking the bus. No worries.
That's a good point. My sister Mia did this. She had to call my dad.
Ah, the dad rescue call. A classic! I think everyone has done that once.
Okay, next question, please. I am ready. That was an easy one for me.
All right. It's a cold Chicago morning. Your car engine won't start. Your battery is dead. You need another car's help.
I know this. You need to connect two car batteries. It's called a jump start.
A jump start, is it? JUMP-START. Well done. That's a tricky one.
Yes, you use special cables. They give power from one car to another. This starts the dead battery.
I have seen people do this. It looks a bit complicated. I'd be nervous.
It is. You have to connect them correctly. I always check a video on my phone first.
That's very smart. I would do the same thing. Okay, last one for you now.
I think I am ready. I had my coffee. My brain is working now. Let's go.
Your car engine stops suddenly while you are driving or waiting at a light. The engine just dies. What is this called?
Ooh, this is a good one. The engine just stops. The car is still on. Is it to stall?
To stall is correct. STALL. Wow, you are doing great, Leo.
Thanks. To stall is when the engine stops working, but not because it is broken.
Exactly. It happens a lot with manual cars. Learners stall cars all the time.
My dad taught me in a manual car. I would stall it 10 times on one street.
Ha! Yes. I remember trying to learn to drive. My teacher was very patient. Okay, your turn to quiz me.
All right, final round. The police officer needs to identify your car. He looks at the special sign on the front and back.
Ah, the sign with the numbers and letters. That is your license plate.
Correct. LICENSEPLAT. In the UK, you might say number plate.
Yes, that's right. It's the unique code for your car. Every car has a different one.
I can never remember my own license plate. I always have to look at my keys.
Ha, me too. I mean, I would if I had a car. I can't remember my passport number.
It's the same thing. Too many numbers to remember. Okay, next question for you.
I'm ready for it. I feel like this is a close game between us today.
Okay. You pay a company every year. So if your car breaks down, they send help for free. What is this payment for?
This is for the Roadside Assistance service. I think you call it a membership.
A membership is exactly right. membership. Nicely done, Debbie.
A membership means you are part of a club or group. You pay a regular fee.
That's it. It's like my gym membership. I pay every month to use the gym.
I have a museum membership. I can go for free anytime. It's a great deal.
Oh, I like that idea. I should get one of those. Okay, last word of the game.
This is it. The final question. Make it a good one, Leo. I want to win.
This is a serious situation. A car crash or someone is hurt. It is a big problem. You need help very fast.
Oh, that's a serious word. You must call for help right away. It's an emergency.
An emergency is correct. emergency. You did it! We both got perfect scores.
An emergency is a serious and dangerous situation that needs immediate action.
Yes. In the US, you call 911. In the UK, you call 9999 for an emergency.
That is a very important tip for anyone traveling. The number is different.
That's a great point. It's something you should know. Wow, we did all 12 words.
We did. Okay, final challenge. For you and for our listeners. Lightning round.
Let's do it. I say the meaning, you say the word. A car that has no air in its tire.
A flat tire. Too easy. My turn. A special service that helps broken down cars.
Roadside Assistance. My turn. To move your car to the side of the road.
Pull over. A person who fixes cars. Your turn to say it.
A mechanic. When your car suddenly stops working on the road, what is it?
It will break down. You hesitated there. I am faster than you today.
Only because I am tired from my traffic problems. Okay, what is the big truck?
A tow truck. This is fun. The numbers and letters on your car.
License plate. I bet our listeners are shouting these out faster than we are.
I hope so. When your car engine stops but isn't broken, what is that word?
To stall. You did really great, Debbie. And you at home, you did great too.
It's a team win. You probably got more answers right than you think you did.
That's true. Just hearing the words is great practice. Don't worry about points.
Yes, that's right. The most important thing is to learn and to have some fun.
And I think we did that today. It made my traffic jam a little better.
I am glad to hear it. Now you have the words you need for your car.
I do. I feel much more prepared. I hope I don't need them today, though. That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive.